Hey eco friends, here's a dish I've been pretty obsessed with lately. It's a savory yogurt curry that you may never have heard of called Kadhi. I make this with my vegan yogurt, which I'll post the link to below, and it takes hardly any time at all, especially if you leave out the okra. The basic components are unsweetened vegan yogurt and chickpea flour for thickness. Everything else is just for the delicious flavor, but you don't want to miss it, trust me. So to start off, thoroughly blend the vegan yogurt and chickpea flour until no lumps remain. In a medium or large pot, make the tadka by adding in the oil, mustard seeds, and cumin seeds until the mustard seeds start to splutter. Now add in cinnamon, a dry red chili, and cloves. Sprinkle in a pinch of turmeric, hing, and ground methi seeds. Add in the grated ginger, green chilies, and curry leaves. Mix that through and pour in the yogurt chickpea flour blend. Pour in some extra water right away or just add it into the mix so that it doesn't clump up like it did for me here. So this is optional, but you can also add in some okra or other veggies if you like. I happen to love okra in this, but it does take a little extra time, so if you're in a hurry, you can totally leave it out. Add in your salt and cover with a lid. Let it come to a boil and then let it cook on medium-low for about 5 to 8 minutes. If you added okra, you'll need at least 15 minutes or until it's tender. Garnish with cilantro and enjoy hot over some rice. This is so flavorful and heavenly. Oh my gosh. That's it for today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Let me know in the comments below if you make this and tag me on Instagram at @asustainablelife. Thank you for watching. Bye!